Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Vamos a hacer un truth or dare. So we're gonna go ahead and start playing a game, truth or dare, and I'm gonna go ahead and ask if I'm moving is because this weirdo is on my bed. So or my table. See, I can't even talk today. Ay, Dios mío, I need to go to sleep. Anyhow.
Go sleep.
Oh, okay, my makeup. I was so cute. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start with Angela. Ready?
Yeah.
Set.
True.
Is it true that you like that peanut butter sandwich better than your taco? Hey, Angel. Are you down?
For what?
Truth or dare?
DR.
TR?
DR.
So you're down?
Yeah.
All right, so truth or dare?
DR.
Can you say?
They are.
You're weird. All right, I dare you to take a shot of not beer, not tequila. Don't get so excited.
Not again. I only
Apple cider vinegar.
did it one time.
Are you
That
down?
was the worst day one.
Are you down for the round?
Yeah.
And cool for the blue?
Yeah.
I
Right there. That's okay. I gotta go over there.
All right.
Give me water. Give me my water. Thank you. Oh, you supposed to discuss.
All the shot. 3.
Wait,
Two.
hold on.
Are you up and down right now?
I can't wait.
It's okay. You can clean it.
Go! I did it once and I didn't want to do it again, but I had to.
So, truth or dare? Is it true that you have a girlfriend?
No.
Truth or dare? Truth. Are you scared of doing dares?
If it's anything to do with vinegar, I'm not doing it. I'll do any dare other than vinegar.
Okay, I dare you to run outside and scream, "My mom's fart smells like flour," up and down the street. I said up and down the street. Then it's not going to complete the dare.
How?
Because I said up and down the street.
Can I do something else in flour? Something else in that.
Can you wear a hula hoop?
Can I do something else in that? Because it's not true. Most of them do, but not all of them.
3, 2, 1.
My mom first smelled like flowers! Yeah! My mom first smelled like flowers! Yeah!
I can't hear you.
My mom first smelled like flowers! Hi! Hi! Hello.
What are you guys doing?
He's on Easter.
Hi. Hi. I think my favorite thing is the planting. I'm sure get more flowers.
Oh, Penny. No, leaving. Eli. Okay, who looks good for me? Here, come in front of me. I'm only 7. You know, Brad, go. You're 7? No, Garrett, let me go. Mom, I know you need to. Yeah, she did it with me. We need to do a race. What do they do? Oh, it's me. We don't like it.
Angel, are you ready?
Well, this is, you can't just go through erase this one 2 times. Well, too bad. You can do that. We need 2, and you get the script on your.
Go.